In the vast areas of sub-Saharan Africa, there lives a creature that is larger than life. A creature that can scare anyone off with the way it looks. In fact, a creature that no one would ever want to be chased by. It's not a lion that we're talking about or a wolf, but a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus amphibians, most commonly known as hippopotamus, are massive mammals native to sub-Saharan Africa. Their name comes from a Greek word meaning river horse, which is odd because they don't resemble horses in any way. In fact, these creatures are closely related to dolphins and whales. They are large in size and are herbivorous when it comes to food. Not to mention, they're known for taking naps underwater even though they can't really breathe underwater. That's why they are semi-aquatic mammals. Their enormous lungs and some sort of tactic allow them to sleep holding their breath. Their eyes and nostrils are on their heads, allowing them to see and breathe while staying submerged in the water. Hippos can hold their breath for about 5 minutes, and when completely submerged, they shut their nostrils and ears airtight, keeping the water out and allowing them to stay underwater for extended periods. And if you thought that they are in any way friendly, you might be wrong. Hippos have a very aggressive nature. They may seem harmless when calm and minding their business, but you better run as fast as possible if they start chasing you. You'll unlikely be able to outrun these massive but fast runners. Hippos can run faster than 30 miles per hour, which is faster than Usain Bolt, the fastest human in the world, reaching the speed of only 23.4 miles per hour. So, one would be extremely lucky to escape a hippo chasing after them. Their jaws are extremely strong, capable of crushing a whole watermelon with ease, thanks to their enormous teeth. They are strong enough to flip a car. You must have seen videos on the internet where a hippo chases after the cars and sometimes even catches up to them. No wonder they're some of the most feared animals present in Africa. When talking about size, hippos are also considered the world's third largest land mammals after elephants and rhinos. Male hippos can reach about 10 to 16.5 feet in length and weigh more than 9,000 pounds. Female hippos, on the other hand, are around 3,000 pounds. They're muscular and have waterproof bodies, which helps them stay underwater for extended periods. Their skin is pinkish brown and their teeth can reach about 20 inches long, allowing them to fight efficiently. These beasts can open their massive jaws to 180 degrees, and a bite from a hippo is 3 times worse than a lion's. One bite from these massive creatures can cut a human body into 2 halves. But they have one weakness. Their skin may look thick and sturdy, but even that can't stand the fierce heat of the African sun. Their skin gets dry quickly and burns easily. They remain close to lakes, rivers, and mud to moisturize their sensitive skin. There's even a myth that hippos sweat blood, which is just a myth. But they do release an oily red substance from their skin to moisturize it while basking. That substance repels the water and sunlight and kills germs. It's more like a natural sunscreen lotion. Hippos are social animals and like to live in groups known as herds or pods. A typical pod can consist of 40 to 200 hippos. Not just that, they are known for their territorial behavior as well. Just like lions and some other animals, they mark their territory through dung midden. Dung midden is where they repeatedly release their excrement to mark their territory like cats, but 1,000 times worse. You may call them dirty, but that's how things work in the animal kingdom. The male hippos express their dominance by flicking their dung in all directions using their tail. Aside from the common hippos, a second species still exists called pygmy hippopotamus. This species is comparatively smaller and can weigh up to 600 pounds, while females only 400 pounds. They have much more sensitive skin than normal hippos and are much softer. Pygmy is commonly found in West Africa around rivers and streams. Unlike the common hippos, pygmy are solitary mammals. The estimated percentage of your survival in an encounter with a lion is more than that of hippos. So if you're encountering a lion, there's a 75% chance that you'll die. Conversely, if you're encountering a hippo, your chance is reduced to 86.7%. Well, all the dangers of getting killed by a hippo don't scare humans, especially the poachers. The International Union for Conservation of Nature has classified these massive beings as vulnerable to extinction. The poachers hunt these giants for their meat, fat, and teeth. On top of all that, their extensive killing is causing a massive decline in their population because hippos are slow reproducers and give birth to only one calf every 2 years. Their species are in extreme danger and may go extinct due to several causes. Aside from poachers, climate change is also affecting the lives of the hippos. Hippos defecate in water, and that dung consists of numerous nutrients that travel through the water and are extremely important for our ecosystem. So if the rivers stop flowing due to climate changes, the ecosystem will be affected and collapse. If the waste concentration increases in the water, most species will die due to high algae and low oxygen. These nutrients give life to other creatures, so their population decline will bring significant loss to the whole cycle. But there's still hope for these massive beasts. Numerous efforts are being made to protect the hippos and their habitats. Educational programs are conducted to raise awareness, and anti-poaching programs have been launched recently. Hippos have great importance in African culture. They're considered the symbols of power and strength, while in other cultures, they are seen as dangerous animals that can go berserk anytime if you step into their territory, which is true. But the conclusion is that hippos are incredible creatures important to the ecosystem. Their presence plays an essential role in this life cycle. Our responsibility is to protect these remarkable creatures from humankind's ruthless activities. We hope you learned something new about these massive but beautiful creatures through today's video, which will help you conserve their species for future generations. If you enjoyed watching today's video, press the like button and share it with others to support the channel. And don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when we upload new content. See you at the next one.